In this video we are analysing Amazon, ticker AMZN. So to get straight into it, firstly we are coming into a very key level. Obviously markets have been weak, stocks have been pulling back, but at $15 we have our, $15 to $14 at zone is our statistical mean on both the 6-month and the 1-year chart. So we have reversed to this level as you would expect, it is our mean. But if we break this level, this could create some concern. So if we break below $14, come back to retest it and selling pressure kicks in, then really this will most likely break below its 52-week low because this would give us a closest support at $96. Obviously, we would have support at $100/101, 52-week low and also statistical mean, but that key support is our $96 level as that is our closest first deviation. A break below there would give us another support at $90, breaking through there $77, $68, $58, and final levels taking us to $46, $38 and a final one at $23. So these would be the key supports. Obviously some of these are very far off. You don't even seeing Amazon below $75, probably not all that likely even if markets continue weak. So the key focus will be, can we hold this 115, 114? If not, expect a breakdown to the 52-week low of at least $101, more than likely push down to 96, and then we want to see a retest of this 96. If we're continuing lower, then we can see a push to 90, and again the same thing. If we expect to go lower through here, we need to see a break below this level, come back to retest it, and if we fail, then expect a push all the way down to $77. Now, on the other hand of things, if you are more bullish on this stock, you want to know the upwards target, or if you're holding this as an investment and you want to know where you may be locking in some profits, we would be having our closest target at $135/$137 as a key zone of resistance. If we break that and continue higher, be paying attention to 154, 160, and then very far off 175, 182, and final levels at 192 and 205. So as of right now, obviously the key focus, we are most likely going to continue down. Markets are weak, so if we can't hold this 114, expect to move down to that 52-week low in time at $101. On the other hand, if we can hold this 115, the 114, and bounce, then we have a target of 140 or 134, and if we can break this zone of resistance, then on the upper hand, 150. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.